Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to read a Peppa Pig story, Rainy Day. It is raining. Peppa and George have to stay inside. I do not like rainy days, Peppa says sadly. Daddy Pig thinks of a game to play. He calls it the rainy day game. He will hide a rubber duck and George and Peppa will find the duck. Peppa thinks that the game sounds too easy. She thinks that George should find the duck first. Daddy Pig hides the duck in the bedroom. George cannot find the duck. You can see it. Just look with your eyes, says Daddy Pig. George uses his eyes. You are getting warmer, Daddy Pig says. George finds the rubber duck. Peppa still thinks that the game is too easy. It is Peppa's turn to find the duck. Mommy Pig hides the duck in the kitchen. Peppa cannot find the duck. Mommy Pig says, The duck is sitting with something that is yellow. Banana, says Peppa. She finds the duck. The rainy day game is fun. Peppa wants to play it again. Daddy Pig puts the duck somewhere for George and Peppa to find together. Peppa and George cannot find the duck. Where is the dog? Peppa asks. Daddy Pig says, It is sitting on something very big and very wise. And very handsome, says Mommy Pig. The dog is on Daddy Pig's head. That is the best hiding place ever, Peppa says. Outside, the rain has stopped. I want to play the rainy game again, says Peppa. I can think of an outside rainy day game that you might like, says Daddy Pig. What is it? asks Peppa. Daddy Pig says, We need to find a muddy puddle. I found it, Peppa says. What do you do when you find a muddy puddle? Daddy Pig asks. Jump up and down in it. Peppa likes rainy day games. Peppa really likes muddy puddles. The end. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, subscribe to my channel and press the thumbs up.